Boeing EA-18G Growler is one of the most advanced electronic warfare aircraft ever deployed by the United States Navy. Developed by Boeing as a specialized version of the Boeing F A-18F Super Hornet, the Growler was designed to dominate the electromagnetic battlespace by disrupting enemy radar, communications, and air defense networks. It replaced the aging Northrop Grumman EA-6B Prowler, bringing a new generation of electronic attack capabilities to carrier air wings. Production of the aircraft began in 2007, and it officially entered operational service in 2009. Since then, the Growler has become the backbone of U.S. airborne electronic attack operations. With its ability to escort strike aircraft while simultaneously jamming enemy defenses, the EA-18G Growler shares more than 90% of its design with the Super Hornet, allowing it to integrate seamlessly into carrier air wings already operating the fighter. By using the same airframe, avionics architecture, and radar systems, the aircraft maintains flight performance nearly identical to the fighter variant. This compatibility allows the Growler to fly escort missions alongside strike fighters during all phases of combat operations. However, Boeing introduced several structural modifications to optimize the aircraft for electronic warfare. These include redesigned leading-edge fairings, reinforced wing fold hinges, and additional wing fences to improve stability while carrying jamming pods. At the heart of the Growler's capabilities lies a sophisticated electronic warfare suite, largely developed by Northrop Grumman. Key components include the ALQ-18 wideband receivers mounted on the wingtips, which detect and identify hostile radar emissions across a broad spectrum. Once enemy signals are detected, the Growler employs an ALQ-99 tactical jamming pods mounted under the wings to disrupt or deceive those systems. The aircraft also integrates the Raytheon and APG-79A ESA radar, enabling advanced situational awareness and target tracking, even while performing electronic attack missions. By combining detection, analysis, and jamming capabilities, the Growler can neutralize a wide range of threats. Although primarily designed for electronic warfare, the Growler also carries a range of weapons for defensive and suppression missions. The aircraft can mount up to 5 ALK-99 jamming pods while still retaining pylons for missiles, such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM and the AGM-88 HARM, which is specifically designed to destroy enemy radar systems. This combination allows the Growler to both jam and physically eliminate hostile air defense radars. Another key feature is the INCAN's interference cancellation system, which enables secure voice communications even while jamming enemy signals. This capability represents a significant improvement over earlier electronic warfare platforms, ensuring that allied pilots can maintain coordination during complex strike operations while enemy networks are simultaneously disrupted. Despite its effectiveness, the Growler's ALQ-99 jamming pod has faced several technical challenges during operational service. The system has been criticized for reliability issues and frequent built-in test failures, which occasionally forced crews to fly missions with undetected faults. In addition, the powerful jamming signals generated by the pods have sometimes interfered with the aircraft's own AESA radar performance. This interference can increase the workload for the two-person crew and slightly reduce the aircraft's top speed due to aerodynamic drag. As modern air defense systems become more advanced, the limitations of the ALQ-99 have become increasingly apparent, prompting the U.S. Navy to pursue next-generation electronic warfare upgrades that can counter emerging radar and communications technologies. To address these limitations, the U.S. Navy is integrating the ALQ-29 next-generation jammer into the Growler fleet. Unlike earlier systems, The NGJ uses active electronically scanned array technology to precisely focus jamming energy on specific targets rather than broadcasting across a wide area. This targeted approach increases effectiveness while reducing interference with friendly systems. The upgrade also allows the aircraft to adapt quickly to evolving threats by updating software and signal libraries. The Growler has become the primary platform for this new system, ensuring that carrier air wings retain a powerful electronic warfare capability well into the future as modern integrated air defense networks continue to evolve. One of the Growler's most powerful features is its ability to operate as part of a networked electronic warfare system. When multiple aircraft operate together, they can share data through high-speed data links, such as the Tactical Targeting Network technology, TTNT, developed by Rockwell Collins. By coordinating their sensors, several Growlers can triangulate the location of enemy radio frequency emissions with remarkable precision. For example, if 3 aircraft detect the same signal source, they can calculate the signal's origin through trilateration, identifying the exact location of a radar or communications transmitter. This method allows the Growler to track targets without using its own radar, reducing the aircraft's electromagnetic signature and enabling long-range targeting of hostile systems from a safer standoff distance. The EA-18G Growler proved its operational value during Operation Odyssey Dawn in 2011, when it supported coalition forces enforcing a no-fly zone over Libya. Growlers jammed Libyan air defense radars, enabling Allied aircraft to conduct strike missions with reduced risk. Over the following decade, the aircraft continued to participate in numerous operations worldwide. In more recent deployments, Growlers have demonstrated their combat versatility by destroying enemy radar systems and even engaging aerial threats. During Operation Prosperity Guardian, a Growler reportedly destroyed a hostile helicopter on the ground using an advanced anti-radiation missile and also achieved its first air-to-air kill by shooting down an enemy drone. These missions highlight how electronic warfare aircraft can directly influence battlefield outcomes. Beyond the United States, the only nation operating the Growler is the Royal Australian Air Force. Australia acquired 12 aircraft to complement its fleet of Super Hornets, making it the first and only foreign operator of the platform. The aircraft are operated by No. 6 Squadron RAAF based at our RAAF base Amberley. Australian Growlers feature several unique enhancements, including an ASQ-28 ATFLIR targeting pod, which allows the aircraft to visually confirm targets detected by electronic sensors. They also carry additional air-to-air weapons such as the AIM-9X Sidewinder missile for self-defense. The Boeing EA-18G Growler represents a major evolution in airborne electronic attack capability. By combining fighter-level performance with powerful electronic warfare systems, the aircraft enables carrier strike groups to operate in heavily defended environments. Its ability to detect, disrupt, and destroy enemy radar and communications networks gives Allied forces a decisive advantage in modern combat operations. As new upgrades such as the next-generation jammer continue to enhance its capabilities, the Growler is expected to remain the U.S. Navy's primary tactical jammer for decades to come. With its proven combat record and expanding network-centric capabilities, the EA-18G stands as one of the most important electronic warfare platforms shaping the future of aerial warfare.